Welcome to the training module for GigaSmart IP tunneling. In this module, you will explore the GigaSmart IP tunneling application. At the end of this module, you will be able to describe the problems caused by monitoring and securing traffic from remote sites. Describe how the GigaSmart IP tunneling application alleviates the problem. Identify the use cases for the GigaSmart IP tunneling application. Few medium to large businesses today lack remote offices or cloud involvement. As additional smaller but geographically distributed sites are added, the equipment and staffing requirements for monitoring and securing those remote resources increase even as the accessibility decreases. Virtualization and use of cloud services represent significant potential cost savings, whether implemented locally or at a hosted site, or fully leveraged from third-party cloud services. Moving some amount of traffic from local physical links to local virtual resources, or moving applications and other workload to hosted and virtualized services makes the job of monitoring and securing that traffic increasingly more difficult. Staffing and equipment budgets rarely account for the increasing dependency upon networks for business-critical traffic. Doing more with less usually means fewer staff and less equipment to do a bigger job. Remote sites are often small enough or inaccessible enough that justifying support staff is a challenge. The level of investment made to properly protect and monitor a headquarters data center cannot be made at each remote site, yet the risks and performance requirements are similar. When cost savings push application and other workload into the cloud, moving that traffic from physical links does not change the requirement for performance monitoring and security. What changes is the level of easy traffic access. Extracting traffic from server-to-server communications within a single hypervisor or gaining access to any traffic from within a service provider cloud is difficult. So what's the solution to traffic access challenges? Overcome these challenges using the GigaSmart IP tunneling application. Deploy some level of basic monitoring and protection at each remote site. In addition to the minimal deployment, use flow mapping to choose which traffic should be subject to additional monitoring and security inspection. Forward that traffic subset to centralized, powerful monitoring and security resources, as well as staffing able to interpret and act upon results. Use GigaView VM to select traffic from within virtual environments and tunnel selected traffic out to physical monitoring resources. This extends both the useful life of existing resources and it preserves the processing power of the hypervisor for workload instead of management and monitoring. There is little incentive for deploying a duplicate suite of virtual monitoring and security tools into each hypervisor when that represents significant unnecessary cost at the same time that hypervisor performance decreases. Using a small footprint visibility fabric node to selectively forward traffic for analysis by dedicated existing tools makes more sense financially and performance-wise. A visibility fabric also overcomes the challenges of keeping track of and compensating for vMotion moves so that traffic arrives at the monitoring tools regardless of vMotion changes. Furthermore, the ability to centralize tools enables a tool optimization of a common monitoring and security platform across the islands of users, virtual machines, devices, and applications. Permanent installations for remote offices within reach of Metro Ethernet, as well as campus environments with available dark fiber, are ideal for tunneling traffic back to centralized tools for consistent monitoring and security. Rather than purchase additional monitoring and security tools for short leases, transition periods when new facilities are being opened, or even during merger transitional periods, it may be faster or more effective to temporarily tunnel traffic to existing monitoring resources. Remote locations that are particularly difficult to reach or are hard on network equipment can benefit from tunneling traffic back to a centralized site to permit immediate support without travel. As long as traffic access is designed into the network through a visibility fabric deployment, it is possible to continuously monitor or ignore specific traffic. In the event of unusual behavior, security is able to immediately change the flow mapping rules without impacting the production network, thereby avoiding change management maintenance windows. This means security has virtually instant access to any traffic and without alerting a potential hacker that they have been seen. When a new remote site or resource requires monitoring, immediately deploy tunneling to extend the full measure of existing monitoring and security to the new resource. If the site or resource is temporary, this may be adequate for the duration. If the site or resource is ongoing or permanent, then immediate coverage via tunneling provides time for analysis of the monitoring and security requirements so that suitable provisioning may be planned, budgeted, and deployed. Support for termination of Cisco ER-span tunnels means that any traffic passing through local or remote network segments, including virtual environments with the Nexus 1000 vSwitch, can add or remove span tunnels to direct traffic of interest to tool pools in moments. GigaSmart also extends support for Layer 2 GRE encapsulation to send traffic from one GigaSmart node over the Internet to a second remote node. Use GigaSmart Layer 2 GRE tunnel decapsulation at the second node to decapsulate the traffic before sending it to the local tool ports. Additional details can be found in the training module, the CLI, HView and GigaView FM training modules, user guides, and product data sheets. In this module, you have explored the GigaSmart IP tunneling application. You are now able to describe the problems caused by monitoring and securing traffic from remote sites. Describe how the GigaSmart IP tunneling application alleviates the problem. Identify the use cases for the GigaSmart IP tunneling application. This concludes the training module for GigaSmart IP tunneling. Thank you.